Hey guys, what is up? Here is another viewer request. Thank you so much for participating and letting me be part of your lives and researching stocks that you want to hear about. So the stock that was requested is called Camber Energy Incorporated. Stock ticker CEI. So the past couple days, this stock has been hovering around the 13-cent mark. Yes, I said 0.13 cent mark. So what does this company do? Looking at website, looking at Yahoo Finance, the description goes as the following. This company exploits, develops, and produces crude oil and natural gas. Where is this located? This is located in West Texas and Central Oklahoma. So what about this company is interesting? Well, there's a lot. So hopefully I can make this short and sweet. So looking at their 52-week high, it is $162.50. Yes, I said their 52-week high is $162.50 with their 52-week low at 0, as in 0.000. Look at Yahoo Finance, check charts and checks other websites. This is actually true. I had to do multiple research and multiple stuff just to make sure that this was correct. So going off of that, and their current stock value about 13 cents. Depending on what part of the day you're looking, or if you're looking at the end of the week, or yesterday, or tomorrow, or let's say just for shits and giggles, it is hovering around the 12 cent to 18 cent mark for the sake of this video. So as you can see, the daily and the max life decline of this stock. Does the daily decline bother me? No. Stocks go up and down depending on what's going on in the news and the market. Does the overall, the max life big decline worry me? A little bit it does. So for Camber Energy Inc., the overall max life of the stock as it went public going down that much worries me. Yeah, kind of. So their market cap is only at 7 million. Like again, 7 million is their market cap as of October 10th, 2019. So like I said, their 52-week high was 162.5. 52-week low is 0. They don't pay a dividend. So here's a quick snapshot of their income statement and balance sheet from Yahoo Finance. So let's talk about some news that surrounds this company. So again, Camber Energy, stock symbol CEI. So let's go back to 2017. Camber Energy has a possible chance of being delisted. Here's an article that came out in October of 2017. So about 2 years ago. So reading this article from My SA by Ry Drusen, it states that even back in 2014, on top of 2017, the threat of Camber Energy being pushed out of the New York Stock Exchange, the NYSE, was present. So it talks about the possibility of share buyback and getting an investor to help do this and help the company not get delisted. So now let's fast forward to this article right here by Access Wire, July 2nd, 2019. Here we go. It talks about a reverse stock split announced by Camber Energy. Here is the article that I found on Yahoo Finance. So you're asking yourself, if you don't know, what is a reverse stock split? Well, a reverse stock split, I'm going to put a screenshot from Investopedia up on the screen right now. So you hear about stock splits, how maybe one stock that you have of, let's say, AT&T. This is an example. You have one stock of AT&T and it splits into two. Let's say you have one stock of Amazon. Again, this is an example. One stock of Amazon and it splits into 25. So you holding one turns into now 25 stocks. Well, back then, or I should say, this article talks about a reverse split. So, let's say you had 25 of a particular stock. Well, a reverse split would take that 25 into one, or if it's 2 to 1, it would take that 2 stocks into one. The amount of money you have will stay the same, but it will be now divided into how many shares the stock goes to. So, here's an article from Marketplace right here that states the reason from CEI doing this reverse stock split is to meet the standards relating to the minimum price per share that you have to maintain to be on the New York Stock Exchange. So if their stock right now, let's say it's hovering around the 12-cent to 18-cent mark, and the minimum from Zacks investment website to be on the New York Stock Exchange is $1 per share. CEI is doing a reverse stock split, so it's adding up, hypothetically, let's say 25 stocks into one to meet the minimum requirement to continue to be on the New York Stock Exchange. So is that concerning to be kicked off the New York Stock Exchange? Yes and no. To not be able to get public funding, as in people buying your shares, concerns me, because now it's more of a private investment, a private initiative to raise money. So that does concern me a little bit, yes. So let's talk about their company. Well, what do? They get their profits off of oil and natural gas. So let's look at that and see my thoughts on both oil and natural gas. So here is a couple articles when I was researching natural gas and oil. Here's some charts from ExxonMobil, one of the largest, or the largest U.S. oil crude company. Talking about natural gas first. So natural gas will play a big part in our future. Here are some charts. My thoughts is, yes, natural gas will do a lot, especially with everything that wants to go greener. Every company, every city, every politician pushing to go greener. Natural gas is a big push and will grow. And looking at the charts, it concludes my same thoughts. So what's the future on oil? Well, oil, as you know, with the demand for being green, as I just said, and the encroachment of electric cars and cleaner fluids, the future of oil is mighty, mighty uncertain. I think it will be in a decline. Here's some pictures that coincide with what I'm thinking. So lastly, let's look at their earnings, their 10Q, their quarterly earnings. Let's take a look at the latest one from March 31st to June 30th, 2019. So it's their latest one. Cash is down from over $1 million. So cash is down. Their total current assets are also down about $1.5 million. Which can mean a couple things. If your cash is down, maybe you've invested in your company. Maybe you've acquired other companies to make your company larger. Is this the matter at hand with CEI? I don't think so. I just think they're running out of cash, and their total current assets are also down, which is kind of scary for being a company that is only worth, as in your market cap, $7 million. Their current liabilities are down from the same time, about $500,000 from March 31st to June 30th, 2019. Here's a picture. So that is their last quarterly. There's some numbers of market cap highs and lows. What I think, honestly, if you're from the area, if you're from Texas, if you work for the company, if you're from Oklahoma and you use Camber Energy, know somebody, maybe I would invest in it. such a small company presiding in a territory that is held majority by major companies. Market cap going low. I don't know if I'd invest. I really don't know. I am more not on the fence than on the fence. I am more on the side of not investing at all. I'm happy I got to learn about this company. To each their own. Like I said, if you work or live in that area, might be it. I might be not hitting something. I might be not getting certain articles. I just might not know. But the research I've done, the numbers I've looked at, points me to not investing into this. But that's just me. So to each their own. Invest what you will. I might be completely wrong. If you're invested into this, hopefully I am completely wrong, and this stock skyrockets and does great things, and then I look back and say, geez, I messed up and did not invest into this. I hope that's the case if you're invested into this. I hope nobody ever loses money in stocks. Do your due diligence and your research to preserve your money and grow, save for the future. But that's my thoughts. Please put your thoughts at the bottom, and take care, guys. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. If you want me to look at research and or present any stocks, please put them in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. So take care, guys. Thank you so much. And that was CEI. Take care. Bye.